If you want to make serious money on Etsy this holiday season, then pay attention. So in this video, I'll be sharing the 4 products that are guaranteed to sell like crazy this holiday season on Etsy. We're talking proven winners, products that have made me and thousands of other Etsy sellers thousands of dollars, and even products that are already selling on Etsy right now in August. Not only will I break down what they are, but I'll also share my favorite print provider, Printify, who will actually print and ship all these items for you. So you won't have to keep tons and tons of stock and actually ship all the products yourselves. When you get an order, Printify will print and ship those items for you. So all you need to do is create the designs and handle the customer service. And I've got step-by-step tutorials for each one of these products coming, so make sure to like this video and subscribe if you want the full step-by-step for each of these products in the next few weeks. And if you're new here, hello, my name is Cassie Johnson. I've sold over $1 million on Etsy, and I've helped thousands of other sellers start and scale their very own Etsy shops, and I've seen tons and tons of mistakes that new sellers make. Typically, it's either one of 2 things during the holiday season. Either they try to completely reinvent the wheel by using an unproven product, thinking that if there's less competition that they'll get more sales, or they completely freeze and end up not posting enough items to really make the money that they want to make. The truth is, success in the holiday season on Etsy isn't about guessing. It's about leaning into proven products that you know are going to be selling because customers are searching for and buying those products every single day, but then adding value and not copying what's already there. You do have to use some of your own creativity to make this all work. And make sure to stay tuned all the way until the end because product number 4 is actually the one that I've sold more than any other product in my print-on-demand business ever. So let's get into the 4 products that I recommend selling this holiday season that are guaranteed to sell. Now, if you try and sell in all of them, then you might just spread yourself too thin and not get any sales. So I do recommend picking one of these products and going all in. If you have the time, if you're able to really put the work in, try and put up 500 new listings for Christmas. Do 250 that are with this Christmas product, and then do 250 designs in evergreen or giftable niches. So stuff that could sell all year, not Christmas related, because half of what sells at Christmas time doesn't say or look like Christmas at all. It's just great gifts for people. The first product probably won't surprise you, and that's personalized ornaments. So items where people can put a custom name, a custom date, a custom address. Those are huge money-making gift opportunities on the Etsy platform. And Printify has a ton of really great products that you can choose from in the ornaments category to choose one and sell your products. I've really typically only ever sold the ceramic ornaments, but I've gotten samples of the glass ornament, and that one's really pretty as well. I do also think that the heart-shaped ceramic ornament has been very popular. And again, I will be doing a full tutorial on ornaments coming up here in the next couple of weeks, so make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. One of the best parts about personalized ornaments is that they don't just sell at Christmas time. This summer in June and July, I have 4 or 5 bestseller badges on personalized ornaments because people have milestones all throughout the year that they actually buy ornaments for. These are things like engagements, new homes, the loss of a pet or the loss of a loved one, and new babies. But these do sell especially well at Christmas time, and they make great gifts, especially if someone had a large milestone that year. So for this product, you really want to, 1, focus on gifting milestones. So these, again, are things that someone would be giving someone else as a gift. And I also do think that this category is one that I would really emphasize the personalized part. And so it does take a little bit longer to do those personalized orders, which is something to consider. If you don't have an hour or 2 to fulfill 50 ornaments or 100 ornaments in a day where you have to customize the name, then this one might not be the best category for you to personally choose, unless you use something like Hello Custom, which is a personalization automation tool where you can personalize multiple different lines of text. So you can personalize a name and a date, a name and a year, couple kids' names. Really, the sky's the limit with Hello Custom, and I would at least consider looking into it if you get into the personalization route. Another tip I have for ornaments is I do recommend making multiple different versions of designs for each niche in one listing, because that really does help to increase your conversion rate on how many people actually look at it and then buy it immensely. I've gotten my conversion rate for my ornaments all the way up to 12% during the peak holiday season. So I do recommend making 4, 6, or even 9 different versions of a design for each niche. So let's say you're designing for the engagement niche. I would make 4 different designs for that ornament and post them all in the same listing. That way, even if someone clicks it and they look at it and they're like, oh, maybe not that one, they're gonna go shop my options and see if they like any of the other 3 that I have versus clicking out and going and buying someone else's. And coming over here to Profit Tree, this is a newer research tool that is really exploding right now because of one really specific feature. You can click this filter button and you can actually filter by popular in the last 24 hours. This is something that I haven't seen any other research tools have just yet. And Profit Tree is only $67 once for a lifetime access, which makes it really, really nice to be able to use. So I typed in ornament, I filtered by popular in the last 24 hours, and here you can see ornaments like this have sold 18 times in the last 24 hours, 11 times in the last 24 hours, 9 times in the last 24 hours, and so on. There's so much good information here on what's actually selling right now in August to give you an idea of what you should be posting for right now to make those holiday sales. Now, one thing I will note though, when you actually click on these listings, they don't always say the same thing when you get to that page. Like you can see, this one says it sold 3 times in the last 24 hours. I actually had some students in my private community test this with me, where I clicked on a listing and it said it had sold 17 times in the last 24 hours, but when someone else clicked on it, it said it had 20 plus in the cart. So don't be surprised if sometimes when you click these, it doesn't say exactly what the Profit Tree screen says, because apparently Etsy shows different sales badges at the top to different people. The second product is family matching shirts. Now, I know this isn't a particular one Printify product. You'll actually use a couple different Printify products in one listing, but if there's one thing that's guaranteed to sell around the holiday season, it is brand new family matching shirts for family photos. This is one of the biggest categories out there, and right now in August, there's already listings selling and bestsellers, because anyone who buys brand new shirts for their whole family every year knows that stuff like this can really go out of stock early. So these people are trained to shop for it fast. And so that's why listing for this right when you see this video in August is your best bet, because the listings that get sales in the next 2 months before the main shopping season for these start in November are already going to be ranked. They're already going to have reviews and are going to sell so much more this holiday season than ones that might get posted in November. So for these, you might sell the Bella Canvas 3001 shirts. I think that's a great option for the adult shirts on Printify. And then for the kids sizes, I would also go with the Bella Canvas 3001Y for youth, the 3001T for the toddler shirt. And then in years past, I've always gone with the Rabbit Skins baby bodysuit, but this year actually Printify added a Bella Canvas option for the baby bodysuit, which is the 100B. And I think that is a really great option because now you can offer whatever color you want and they're all gonna be able to match. So this is another product where personalization is really popular, but you don't have to do it. So a lot of the designs that sell well for this product just say like Family Christmas 2025, making memories together, and all the shirts say the exact same thing. So it can actually be very simple to make these. You just make one design that goes on all the shirts. But there are plenty of designs that do sell well that are personalized, where it has custom initials or custom names on all of the shirts. And so I would recommend trying out some different things and doing a little bit of both to see what works well for you. Now, I would choose this product for one main reason: bulk orders. I can't tell you how fun it is to get 10 shirts in one sale instead of just one. That way you need a lot less views and a lot less customers to make more sales. If this is the product that you choose to go all in on for your holiday product line this year, then I really would recommend trying out lots of different themes. You could try all different Santas, all different reindeers, you could try different gingerbread cookies. Really, the sky is the limit with what you can mix with this. You can even mix matching family shirts with cruise vacations. You can put things like different sports themes on them or different hobbies. Families love to have something unique and something different. And again, stay tuned for the full tutorial in the next couple of weeks on the family matching shirt sets, because I'll show you how to use Simply Listed so that these listings are still completely connected and automated with Printify, and actually how to completely automate the mock-up process as well, which will definitely make getting 250 listings up before Black Friday so much more achievable. Coming over here to Profit Tree for the matching family Christmas shirts, you can see this one sold 11 times, this one sold twice, this one sold 5 times in the last 24 hours. And since this is still newer, it might be worth changing your filter to also include anything that has 20+ in the cart or in carts now. That way you can apply that and see even more search results for products that you're a little bit newer for. So this will give you a better idea of what's in 20+ carts right now, but maybe it isn't selling as many every day. These would still be really good ones to consider looking into for what you should be designing for right now. Product number 3 is actually going to be candles. So the candle that I really like to sell from Printify is the Luminant Jar Candle. This has been such a great product that I have been really selling a lot more of in the last year or two and have been really successful with. And the great thing about this product is this is one where it can be for Christmas themed designs, or even more often not Christmas themed designs. So this is going to be one of those options where you can find out on Etsy what people are searching for. Like if they're searching for gifts for their mom, gifts for their aunt, gift for their therapist, gift for a new dental hygienist. Really, the sky is the limit. Go find what people are searching for, gift for so-and-so, and make a candle for each and every one. Better yet, if there is not already a candle for sale for that particular person. Because candles are a great option for someone that maybe you don't know their shirt size. So a good example might be a gift for your child's teacher would be a great option for a candle. And you can even try the same method I was talking about earlier with the ornaments, where you offer multiple different designs in one listing to try and increase your conversion rates. And then product number 4, the one that I've sold the absolute most in my business, is ugly Christmas sweaters. Now for this product with Printify, I like to use the Gildan 18,000 sweatshirt. I think that's the best option for sweaters, even if you sell, say, Comfort Colors t-shirts in your store. And what I mean by an ugly Christmas sweater is it could be the actual ugly Christmas sweater style with like the graphics on the top and the bottom with the ugly Christmas sweater text, but really it could be anything. This can be mixed with absolutely any niche that you've ever seen under the sun, and the more niched down and kind of random, the better. So really what I do to start with this one is if you have any successful niches in your store that you already sell in, let's say you sell items for pickleball lovers, you sell items for people who love their Shiba Inu dog, let's say you sell items for a particular type of nurse, like an emergency room nurse. Ugly Christmas sweaters for any niche possible is a great option. People love going to parties around the holidays, or even going to work and wearing these items and having something super specific and unique to them. It's one of the biggest reasons why people shop on Etsy. The best part is that these are almost never personalized. So if you don't want to do personalized options, then the ugly Christmas sweater niche might be the best one for you. And to help you design for all of these products faster and easier, I am releasing my monthly trend reports, which I'll link down below, where every month I go on Etsy and I find what's selling right now, what design styles are trending, and I share a big long report with you. That way you can just open up the video once a month, make a bunch of designs from it, and hopefully make a bunch of sales this holiday season. So definitely feel free to check out that trend report down in the description. So which product are you choosing to list 250 items of this holiday season? Put it down in the comments below. Are you listing ugly Christmas sweaters, candles, personalized ornaments, or matching family shirts? All of these are super profitable options, and I'm wishing you guys all the best this Q4. And again, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for those full tutorials coming up in the next few weeks.